Welcome back. Now today we will take question 21 onward from worksheet 9.3. Question 21. It is written, find four numbers of GP in which third term is 9 more than first term and second term is 18 more than fourth term. This is given. Now for this, four numbers of GP they are asking, so we will assume it four numbers of GP as A, AR, AR square and AR power 3 of GP. First, from equation 1, A third term, this is the third term, so it means AR power 2 minus first term A equal 9. You can take A common, so R square minus 1 equal 9. From equation 2, second term minus fourth term, second term minus fourth term is 18. From here again you will take some common, so 1 minus R square equal 18. If you will observe it in equation 3 and 4, one is R square minus 1 and the other one is R1 minus R square. So we will interchange their position. So from here you will get either of the equation you can take it. From here you will get minus or AR R square minus 1 equal minus 18 after changing their sign, isn't it? Now from equation 3 and from equation 5 we will substitute some value in one on the other equation. So R square, AR square minus 1. Instead of this we will put 9 R equal minus 18. So you will get R as minus 2. Now to find out the four numbers of GP, you need the value of A also. So what will you do? You will put this value of R in either of the equation. In either of the equation you can put it and to get the value of A. So after finding out the value of A, then you can find out all the four terms. Clear? In question 23rd, it is given that first term is A and the nth term is B and product of n terms equal P, and you have to show P square equal AB power n. Now since B is the nth term, so B we can write it as ARn minus 1. We can write it, isn't it? Now this part we will do it further. B upon A equal Rn minus 1. ऐसे लिख सकते हैं हम. And shift, find out the value of R. So it will become 1 upon n minus 1 equal R. Isn't it? So you will get the value of R as this. Now further they have given that P is the product of n terms. So product of n terms of a GP is this. P equal A multiply AR square up to ARn minus 1. Now A, if you will multiply A n times, what result you will get it? A power n. And R, use the exponent property, so it will become R power 1 plus 2 plus so on up to n minus 1. Now use the sum of n natural number, you will get n minus 1 upon 2. Okay, so this answer you will get it over here. Now from here you will, this is your equation 1. From equation 1 you will put the value of R here. As in the question you have to take P and AB, so you don't want this R, so instead of R you will put its value. So let's see, P AN, instead of R you will substitute its value, so it will be B upon A 1 upon n minus 1, and this is already there, cancel it, you will get B equal AN B upon A N upon 2. Isn't it? Now, in the question they have asked about P square. So, what will you do? Squaring both sides, or you can solve it further also if you want to. It will become, if you will solve it, it will become N upon 2 upon A N upon 2. And this is equals to P equal A half and B half N upon 2. N upon 2. Now, squaring both sides. If you will do the squaring both sides, what result you will get it? P square equal whole square. So, power 2 will be cancelled out. So, it will become A power N into B power N, or we can write it after combining it A, B power N. Is it clear? So, this answer we have to prove it over. Question 24th. In question 24, you have to show that sum of n terms of GP, ratio of the sum of n terms of GP and sum of terms from n plus 1th to 2nth term is 1 upon Rn. So, sum of n terms of GP, sum of n terms of GP. So, we can write it as A plus AR square up to ARn minus 1. अब आपको डिनोमिनेटर में रेशो में n plus 1th टर्म से स्टार्ट करना है सम एंड अप टू 2n. सो एक कम रहेगा. As we have done it, we have already discussed it. So, it will be from ARn इससे 1 लेस सम ARn प्लस ARn प्लस 1 अप टू 2n से एक कम. सो AR 2n माइनस 1. एज इन दिस केस ऑल्सो n टर्म्स निकालना था तो एक टर्म कम. ओके, सो दिस यू विल गेट इट. वी विल सॉल्व इट फॉर द हियर. कैन यू टेक समथिंग कॉमन फ्रॉम द अपर पार्ट? वी कैन टेक A R common, sorry, only A we will take it common. So, the term left out 1 plus R square plus Rn minus 1. And from the denominator, what will be common? क्या common आएगा? Look at ARn. So, ARn will be common. So, the left out will be this one. यह आ जाएगा. एंड ऑब्जर्व बोथ ऑफ देम आर सेम. सो कैंसिल इट. ये कैंसिल हो गया. सो यू विल गेट 1 अपॉन Rn. और यही हमें यहां पर प्रूव करना है. इज इट ओके? क्वेश्चन 25th. In question 25th, they have given that A, B, C, D are in GP and we have to show this one. So, for this, since A, B, C, D are in GP, so we will take the 4 terms as AR square, AR cube as A, B, C, D. Now, we will take LHS. We will solve LHS and RHS separately. So, LHS. We will take it A square, we will keep it as it is. B square, instead of B square, we will put its value A square, R square. C square, A square, R power 4, multiply B square, A square, R square, C square, A square, R 4, plus D square, A square, R power 6. Okay, now take common from here. So, what is common? A square common. So, left out 1 plus R square plus R power 4. And what is common from here? What is common? Into A square, R square is common. 1 plus R square plus R power 4. So, it will become, if you will combine this and this, A power 4 R square 1 plus R square plus R power 4 whole square. isn't it? This is LHS. Now same way you will solve RHS. RHS you will solve it by substituting the values in this and you will get the same result. Clear? Okay. Question 26. In question 26, it has given or it has asked, insert two numbers between 3 and 81. Insert two numbers between 3 and 81 such that it forms a GP. So we will take between 3 and 81, we will take numbers such that whole terms will become GP. So first number, this is your first number. So second number we will take it AR and the other number we will take it AR square. This whole forms a GP. ऐसे आपको दो terms insert करनी है so that all the four terms becomes GP. Now, this is the fourth term. Here, A is 3. Now, 81 is the fourth term. Means AR power 3 equal 81. Substitute A equal 3. So, it will be R cube equal 81 upon 3. By substituting, so cancel it. 27. R will be 3. R आपके पास 3 आ गया. And question is, A is already there. A is there. So, therefore, first inserted number will be AR, that is 3 into 3, 9. And second inserted number will be AR square, that is 3 into 3 square. So, it will become 27. 27. So, 9 and 27 are the two numbers in between 3 and 81 such that it forms a GP. Is it clear? So, we did question from 21 to 26. In next class, we will take the other questions. Thank you and have a nice day.